Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I want to make another method of cough syrup. Yes, for this cough syrup I want to make today, we need just 3 things to make this cough syrup. And the 3 ingredients we need to make this cough syrup, now the ingredients will be simple, possible you will find out for your kitchen. Very simple to acquire these ingredients, you know, and very good. This syrup I want to make today now old school. Okay guys, for the ingredients we want to use today, we need honey, 3 onions and 2 cloves of garlic. Yeah, the combination of garlic and onions now antibacterial. Yeah, it will help you to clean your system totally, clear your throat, clear your body in total. And this syrup will also help you for cold, most especially we where they live for cold countries, you know. So guys, we'll begin do the syrup and watch me as I do one step by step. For this syrup, you need jar like this, container like this, but always if you want store such syrup, not use plastic, always use bottle jar like this, and clean them very well. Then now you will put everything where you want to do the syrup. All right, now guys, I will cut the onions. Just cut the onions to small sizes. So just pack the onions inside the clean jar. So now you go just put the honey and make sure say the honey cover everything. Here now the cough syrup, and for this cough syrup guys, just try to leave them for 24 hours before you start to consume, so that the onions and the garlic go fit extract out very well with the honey, so that this thing will be very active. So now so you take use them. You see the way we take them very easy. Alright guys, if you like this video, not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that each time I upload, you will be the first person to watch my video. Thank guys for coming, thank guys for watching. Bye bye. And also not forget to share with your friends, your loved ones, and every other person. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you guys next time. Bye.